What's up, SilverTraderFM subscribers and viewers? Did you know Part 3? 1973.
Checking out these pages of time. Has all the years and documentation based on the year you're born. So looking at the year I was born, Silver Trader, 73. Average income, $12,965. New car only costs about $4,000. To buy a house for about $32,500. Gas was about 40 cents. Gold was 97. Silver was 256. The year before, right? Gold was 58.60. Silver was 196. So it almost doubled between 1972 and 1973. Interesting, huh? LA to New York for $30. You can actually get 37.9 miles per gallon in a Datsun. Wow. Some cars were actually fuel efficient. Average 37.9 miles per gallon. Just $30 coast to coast. Gas was only 40 cents per gallon in 1973, so you could get across coast to coast in about $30. Interesting.
Well, do you know what the price of gas, gold, or silver was when you were born? Leave a comment below and let me know. This is SilverTraderFM, and I'm out for now.